I'm Soulla Chamberlain. I'm the creator and director of Whole Foods brand Star Anise Organic Whole Foods and my retail store Broth Bar and Larder in Bondi. I'm a real and traditional foods cooking instructor and a lover of the sun and surf. And today I'm going to be showcasing to you a few recipes using some beautiful grass-fed meat brought to me by my good friends from the meat store. So we're going to be making beef carpaccio, which is a classic Italian dish made from super thinly sliced raw red meat like I fillet. Now some people might be a little bit shocked or nervous at the idea of eating raw red meat, but if it's from a really good source, if it's grass-fed and finished and properly prepared, it's not going to be an issue. And in fact, raw grass-fed meat is really high in enzymes, which is terrific for your digestion. So the key to being able to slice the meat into wafer-thin slices is to freeze it first, or par-freeze it until it's really firm, and secondly to use a super sharp knife. So what we do now is simply arrange the meat on the plate, and you can overlap the slices somewhat, and then we're going to stick it in the fridge to give it an opportunity to thaw out and to stay chilled. And then we're just going to simply pull it out before you want to serve it on the same day. And we're going to then make a dressing, and we're going to spoon that dressing over the meat before we serve it. So the beautiful dressing we're making consists of parsley, capers, diced red onion, diced tomato and lemon juice. So the acidity in the lemon juice and the tomato serves to somewhat cook the meat. And just before serving, all we do now is dress it with some olive oil and season with some good quality unrefined salt and some pepper. So you can see how simple this recipe is. When you're using quality ingredients, you don't need to use many different ingredients and have fussy recipes. The quality and the flavors of the ingredients will speak for themselves.